They tweet and they chitter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew. A small pepper flake makes the bear. Chew! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. The bear wakes up and he gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and rumbles. Bear jumps. Bear stomps. Bear